predators. All about squid. Squid have 10 tentacles. Squid only live at the deep ocean. Their only predator is a whale. I love squid.
Bottlenose dolphins are cool. They live in all oceans. The oceans have salt water. They are mammals and they eat fish, shrimp, and squid. I like dolphins. I love eagles. The bald eagles, eat fish and rabbits. They are warm-blooded. Eagles have sharp beaks. They live in tall trees in a nest. Eagles are strong. Penguins live in Antarctica. They have feathers. They eat squid. They are cool. Sea turtles are cool. They eat seaweed. I like sea turtles because they lay eggs.
I am learning about wolves. Wolves live in a pack. Wolves eat meat from deer. Wolves are mammals. Wolves eat healthy. Wolves like to eat. I like wolves.
Tiger is very scary. A tiger is a very, very impressive animal, too. Tigers live in grassy lands. Tigers eat meat. I like tigers. Cheetahs are cool. A cheetah eats squirrels, birds, and rabbits. Predators of cheetahs are lions and hyenas. My animal is warm-blooded. Cheetahs are fast. Do you love cheetahs? I do. Hi, I'm Nolan. Do you know I'm learning about gorillas because they are interesting. They have sharp teeth. Gorillas are cool.
Sharks are cool. My animal eats fish. My animal lives in ocean everywhere. Sharks are fish. Sharks have sharp teeth. I like sharks.
My animal is a giraffe. My animal eats grass. Giraffes are cool.
Horses are cool. My animal is a mammal. The predators that eat my animal are a killer whale and a polar bear. My animal eats clam, mussel, and sea cucumbers.
Do you know about dolphins? Let me tell you all about them. Dolphins are super playful. Sharks are predators to dolphins. Dolphins don't worry about being eaten. Dolphins are cute.
Electric eels are awesome. Electric eels eat fish. Electric eels give shock. I love electric eels.
Elephants are impressive. An elephant lives in Africa. Elephants have skin on them, but elephants have a trunk too. I love elephants. Are cool. Dolphins live in the oceans. Dolphins are mammals. Dolphins eat fish and squid. Sharks are predators for dolphins. I like dolphins. Are cool. My animal eats small mammals, insects, also birds and some sometimes fish, sometimes hawks or eagles. I like learning about owls. Wolves are dangerous. They live in Asia. Wolves eat meat. Bears like to eat my animal. Do you think they are cool?